The following words are one way of expressing what I believe to be the basic principles which should support leaders as they develop leadership and management approaches and solutions in any given situation. I'll explain them in brief during this lesson, and then we'll go on to develop them as ideas throughout the remainder of this package. The first principle is experience. This is the key to successful leadership and management, and I simply cannot overemphasize how important this is. You will make mistakes. It's part of life, and this can be a very positive thing as we recognize them for what they are. Next, know yourself. We all have strengths and weaknesses. Just learn to recognize them. Gain confidence. Confidence is a big part of being able to inspire and motivate. So be confident in yourself, and people will be confident in you. Know your people. You can't expect to adapt your leadership to the team and the task without knowing your people, what they can do and what they can't do, and why. Learn to recognize failure. This is subtly different from making mistakes, and if done well, can prevent mistakes occurring. Learn to see the early signs of failure and to think about what you will do. Be self-disciplined. If you want to lead, you must set the example from the outset. Self-discipline is central to achieving this and gaining respect. Always be organised. Leaders can have flair and style, but all the flair in the world will not offset a disorganised approach to leadership and management. Leaders should be robust, but selfless. People do not dislike strong leadership when necessary, but they do dislike self-serving leadership, which ignores the achievements of others. Make sure you listen. You're leading human beings, wonderful, sentient people with an ability to think and innovate. Use this resource and listen to those around you. Never stop learning. The best leadership and management practitioners never do. Make sure you delegate. Your job is to get the best from your team and the resources available. An all-controlling, micromanaged approach does not inspire confidence in your people or display faith in their ability to think and innovate. Plan for contingency. Things will go wrong, so always have a backup plan or two. It's rare that a plan survives intact from initiation to conclusion, so be prepared to change course to avoid storms. And finally, make decisions, and make them in time. Leadership and management experience and ability is worth little if you aren't able to make timely decisions. Risk is unavoidable, and striving for a 100% solution will just lead to failure as you miss a deadline or an opportunity passes you by. If any of these ideas are new to you, or you feel want to explore them in more detail, then don't worry. There'll be plenty of opportunity to do so as we work through the rest of the package. I recommend you write the keywords down and use them as a handy reference guide during the course and in your day-to-day role as a leadership and management practitioner. Feel free by all means to develop your own explanation of what each principle means to you.